Welcome to E-Yantra Technologies. Jntuk R20 32 ECE Arduino ARM-based lab experiment number 1. Today we will see how to do this experiment on the kit. This experiment is the interfacing of temperature sensor with Arduino. So here on our board we have two temperature sensors. One is this LM35, which is directly connected to the pin number A0 here. If you want to use a different pin, you can just take away the clip and use a female connector, female to female jumper wire. That is a wire of this particular sort. You can see this side is female and similarly other side also female. So if at all you want to connect it to any other pin, if you dislike using A0, you may take away the jumper from other. Let us say here A1 is there. If at all you want to use A1, just take away the clip and join this A0. I'm sorry, it's not A0. Join A1 with LM35. So in this current code, we are reading the LM35 pin on A2 of the Arduino. Sorry, A1 of the Arduino. Generally default pins are already mentioned here, no need of doing any wiring. So if you follow our code directly, there is no need to put any jumper wire. It is only for the user flexibility we have given. But if the user is not that acquainted with the kit, just you go with whatever defaults are given there. No need to change any pins. If at all you want to change, then only you can remove the clip and use a female to female wire. Here we have already connected it to A0. So open the sketch folder given by us. It contains experiment number 1, temperature sensor. Just click on it. There are 3 different experiments. I mean on the same LM35 only, software is different. So here I am trying to explain you the basic LM35 code. Or you can use the LM35 with the internal reference. Even this also works excellently. Open the sketch. It takes some time to open the Arduino. But remember, before you start this, you must install Arduino software also. So this is the sketch here. And now the board got connected. You have a USB cable connected here. And the other side of the USB cable, which is here, this I am plugging into the PC desktop, and this gives you the switches on. If you don't want to use the LCD continuously, then there is a jumper here. If you take away this LCD clip, automatically LCD will turn off, and if you place it back into its position, LCD glows. It's up to you whether to use this or not. And similarly, other connections like servo, stepper, etc., ultrasonic, these jumper clips are provided. If you remove the clip, they won't work, and if you just leave it like this, they will always work. Okay, today we'll learn now how to upload the code here. So after plugging in here, just look at the Arduino IDE. Here in this IDE, you will find first of all tools. Click on tools. There you will find just a minute. Yeah, here. Click on tools. Here it shows the board here. Generally it is not Arduino Nano. I mean default it shows some other things. You have to choose AVR boards, Arduino AVR boards. In this you go there, you will find Arduino Uno, Dimilano or Nano. All these boards are available. The board which we are using is Arduino Nano. All these Dimilano, Nano and Uno, they do come with Atmega 328P only, but their packages are different. Their chip is same. So we have to choose Arduino Nano here, and then we have processor. After selecting Arduino Nano only, you have to do this. After selecting Arduino Nano, you get an option like Atmega 328P processor. So here you leave it in default, which is Atmega 328p, not the old bootloader, not the 168. It is Atmega 328p only. And after selecting this, you find the port. See, this port in my system, I have COM1 and COM5. Whenever you get COM1, please don't consider that. That is a DB9 port. You only choose anything other than one. So please make sure which COM port your system has been connected. This you can confirm by just going into the My Computer icon. Just you go to your My Computer and click on Manage. Right click on it, you get the Manage button. This PC, right click, Manage. Right, after you get this Manage button, it takes some time to open it. Just a minute. Yeah, it's opening. Device Manager will open up. Yeah, after you open the Device Manager, go to Device Manager here. When you click on it, you see the peripherals connected here, hardware connected here. You will find the list, and in this please look at these ports COM and LPT. Just click on this. Here you will find communication ports common. It is useless. Here you will find this USB serial CH340, USB serial CH340. So the COM5, that number 5 may vary from system to system and port to port. Let me remove this plug and insert it in another one. Just I am showing you for example. Just you remove it, and if you plug it in another one, this COM will go away. See, you may get COM3 here. I think earlier I got COM5. Now I am once again doing the same. I am putting in another USB port. There, see, COM number is changing. So whichever COM port you got, please remember that number. This is COM5. Let me come back to Arduino. Now this is the sketch, and here you need to go to Tools. 3 steps. First thing, board selection, Arduino Nano. Next is processor, Atmega 328p, and third one is the port. After you select all the 3, then directly come to this arrow. Click on the arrow. It starts processing. It shows a compiling sketch, and there will be a progress bar. So this progress bar will take some time. It starts uploading. It's now compiling, and finally it starts uploading, and then after few seconds of waiting, you see here now it is compiling sketch and then uploading, and then finally you will see done uploading. And while uploading the sketch, please don't shake the wires. If at all you wave the wires, there may be loose contact and your program won't get uploaded properly. Now we have uploaded the sketch, and we can see there is a serial monitor on the top right corner. Serial monitor. Click on this. This will open up a window, and remember there is a default baud rate, 9600 baud it is. It need not be 9600 always, but in the program we have selected serial.begin as 9600. If at all you choose a different number, then select the same in the serial monitor. So in the serial monitor you have to choose the correct baud rate also. You can see it is now printing 26 point something as the temperature of this particular sensor. Now let's have an understanding. Let me touch it with finger so that it warms up little, and please see when I am doing it what's happening here. See, the temperature is gradually raising when I hold it with my finger. So you can see the temperature is increasing. If at all you bring in a soldering iron or any hot object, the temperature rises much faster, and you can go up to any temperature of 155 degrees Celsius. 155 degrees Celsius, this can withstand. You can see I am holding it with my finger. So the temperature gradually rose, and when I blow air, the temperature slightly decreases now, right? So this is about the first experiment, and in a similar manner you can actually upload the other sketches also. We have other sketches provided here in this. In the temperature sensor part, you can see internal reference LM35 with filter, etc. So all these are with software differences, similar codes which measures the temperature from LM35. Thank you.